Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how can we add camera option in Microsoft Office package, and how it work. So, let's start. You can see, I already opened an Excel file, but I cannot see any camera option in menu bar. So, at first, we need to add camera from Customized Quick Access toolbar options. Click right button on menu bar, then select Customized Quick Access toolbar options. Now select all commands and select camera option for add to toolbar. Select camera, click on add, and then click OK. You can see camera is added in toolbar menu. Let's try how camera option is work in Excel. Select data which you need to captured by camera. After select, click on camera tools. Now, just click on right button on your mouse. Then a copy of your selected data is pasted in image format. We take another shot by camera. The most interesting and useful feature is the camera option is auto data changing mode. That's mean, if you change any data which you selected, then all table data is changing. You can see, all table data is changing when I change my main data table. I hope, in this video, you can easily learn how to add camera tools in Excel, and how it's work. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.